Today we are going. So we're going to the laundry. Okay, guys, I really don't know how to use the machine at the laundry shop because our washing machine broke. So, so I have everything ready. My quarters, my Apple battery pack, my wallet, and then I'm gonna bring some cash with me just in case. So these are the ones that I'm gonna wash today. I have my Bounce fabric softener and then my powdered laundry detergent. So yeah, I have 3 bags here, so wish me luck. And I'm kinda like, I don't know. Alright guys, I think I am ready to go to the laundry shop. But before I go there, let me show you what I did yesterday. So, so I already put the mulches all around here. So we picked the red color right there. So yeah, and then I watered the plants, and yes, that's the mulches. And then I even put it underneath our and yeah, so alright guys, so let's go to the laundry shop. Wish me luck.
Here. Hi guys, so well, the laundry shop is just behind our house, so it's not that far, but I still need to drive. I wish I had the bike, so I can just bike, from my house to the laundry shop. And yeah, I'm kind of like nervous because I've never been to the laundry shop before. When I'm nervous, I feel like I wanted to pee, and sometimes I wanted to poop. Well-researched question. So, anyways, let's drive, guys. I will take you there. So, wish me luck. Hopefully, it's not busy there, and nobody's washing clothes. So that's where I take my car when I do the oil change, auto reliance service. Okay, so where is this laundry shop? I think it's here. MD. So this is the laundry shop, guys. It's just besides Walgreens. So hopefully nobody's using washing machine right now. So I'm here. Okay, so I don't know what to do, guys. So that's the laundry net right there. Let me just take out all my dirty clothes, guys.
Alright, so here we are. Hello. Hi, you work here? I don't know how to. This is my first time. Thank you. So that is the washer right here.
Okay, we're gonna load the machine.
Load the machine, okay. Hold on, okay. So put everything here. Sorry, our washing machine broke last night.
I'm glad.
And
I didn't mean it like that.
Okay. So I put the thing in there already.
You put the soap.
Yeah.
Okay, when I close the door. Do you need to put any more of those soap in there?
It's not good.
Do you use none?
Can I use the other one?
You can't. Go ahead, shut the door.
Okay. I can use multiple machines, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so sorry, but when you got a minute,
Okay. Okay. Hot one more.
So cold.
Okay. And then when you put $4 in, it'll count down.
Okay.
And then you just stir it. And
That's
it
all.
takes that. And it's 25 minutes. It'll walk for 25
Oh,
minutes.
so that's only one time, right?
One time.
And then the dryer is gonna be the same thing?
Put your clothes in. Put the quarter in. You're going to use the top one, the arrow go to the top.
Okay.
Same one, the arrow go to the bottom. If
Thank you
put
so
the
much.
bottom.
What
Yeah.
is your name?
Teresa.
Teresa Alfie.
Alfie?
Yes.
Now you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So it's that easy, guys. So let me get the other one. Hold on. Alright guys, so these are my clothes. I'm so happy, it's so easy to use. So I got 3 machines going on here. There. So it will take me 25 minutes. And then after that I'm gonna use the dryer, guys. So this is the dryer right there. It's so huge, OMG. I'm gonna tell my parents not to buy a washing machine anymore because it's so easy here. But anyways, I will get back to you guys. Alright guys, it's spinning right now. And then after that, because this is so easy, all you need is your laundry detergent and then your coins. So yeah, there you go. It's so easy. 25 minutes, and then the same thing as the dryer right there. Alright guys, I am done, and these are the fresh new laundry now. So let me just get to my car, guys. Alright guys, so those are my clean laundry. So I definitely gotta come back here because it's so easy, guys. And it's only like, so I spent like how much did I spend? I forgot. So the washer is like $12, and then the dryer is $8. So it's not bad, guys. So I will definitely come back here. Alright guys, so that is my experience here at the laundry shop, and it's so easy, and I will come back. I'm gonna tell my parents don't buy a washer anymore. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good day.